Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm covering Airwallex versus Wise. The pitch is, your bank is charging you 3 to 5% on international transfers. Here is what to use. A few things stand out. Multi-currency accounts. Hold USD, EUR, GBP, and AUD simultaneously. Convert only when the rate is favorable, not when the bank forces you to. Then there's Wholesale Exchange Rates, which means Airwallex. The scores. Ease of use, 80 out of 100. Features, 90. Value for money, 90. Support, 80. That's about as good as it gets for an international payments tool. What I liked? Free account, no monthly fee, multi-currency accounts in 20 plus currencies, saves the average business $1,500 to $4,000 per year on international fees. What bugged me? Airwallex versus Wise gets a 9 from me. If international payments is something you take seriously, it's worth a look. Link to try it free is in the description.